This is how to do the DC-con clear. So first we're gonna go to service mode. Service mode is same registration, the 2 and 8 together, same registration. We're gonna go to mode list, copier, and then we're gonna go to functions. No, my bad. Hit the reset button, go back to this. If you moved on, go back to this. Make sure it says level 1. We're gonna hit same registration and the number 2, and you see that changed to level 2. And we're gonna go to copier, then functions, then system, and this is where we're gonna back up all their information from the DC controller. So we're gonna hit this one, highlight it, press OK, and let it. So now what it's doing is backing up all the information from the DC controller before we clear it, so that we can put it back in the system after we do the clear. It'll take a few minutes. We gotta wait till it says OK. Once it says OK, we're gonna go hit the reset button. 1, 2, so you get back to level 1. We'll go to copier, function. We're gonna hit clear. And then once you're here, what we're gonna do is do that DC con clear. We're gonna do DC, make sure it's highlighted, then press OK. And then if you could move it around to a different section, that means it's done. So we're gonna shut the machine off. Just make sure it's completely off, then we're going to turn it back on. Now if the error message we were having goes away, then we know it's something to do with the DC controller and we can just leave it like that. Just run copies, make sure that the copy quality is the same after you did that. And if it's not, we're gonna go back into service mode. let's say the error did clear, the copy quality is bad, so you got to go to service mode, mode list, copier, adjust, and then what you're gonna do is the front door, find these and make sure that those valuables are the same as where they're supposed to be. Look here, and by changing that, you hit highlight that, change the number. If it's negative, you're gonna hit the button here, then OK. If it's positive, make sure it has a plus sign, then press OK. If you don't press OK, it'll just stay at the whatever number it was originally. But if that didn't clear your error, then let's go back to level 2, settings, registration number 2, back to level 2, and to put back your information, you go to install system and then reset. This will be reset to DC controller, so we're gonna reset that. And to do the rcon clear, which is the board that's in here on the scanner, you do the same thing. You first want to come here before you go and clear it. Go here, make sure it backs up that information, then go back to level 1 and go functions clear, and erase and clear the rcon. And then if it starts working, then you're good, and you can back this back up. This is where you come back and back it up. You wait till it says OK, you're all good, and you go back to home screen.